G'day everyone, it's Mark here, and today we're looking at Colin's beautiful ZF Fairlane. So here's Colin. How are you, Colin?
Good, Mark. How are you?
Yeah, well, thanks. Thanks for offering to do a video on the car. Now, how long have you had this car for?
About 16 years.
16 years. Right, you got off some young blokes, did you?
Got off some young blokes who had drove it around for a little while and didn't want it anymore.
Yeah, and maybe we're not the best custodians?
No,
or?
they weren't.
Right, so what did you have to do to the car?
New diff and
Yeah.
tidy it all up and
Yeah.
bit of paintwork and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, oh, it's looking terrific. You don't see too many of these now, do you?
No, not around.
Yeah, they used to be around quite a bit. This came out with the XA model, didn't it? The
That's right.
ZF, and then the later was the ZG with a different grille and
That's
so on.
right.
So I'll fly a few images in there.
This came from New Oakley Motors.
Oh, right, when it was new.
Yes, I've got all the books for it.
Oh, wow.
And it's actually, I worked there for many years in New Oakley
right.
Motors as a mechanic.
Yeah.
And I left there in '69, so this came out in '72.
Wow.
So I never saw it, but
Yeah, honey on the road.
only on the road.
Fantastic. Well, I'll just do a bit of a walk around so you can see this car. It's sort of derivative of the Falcon model, so obviously a longer wheelbase. Jack Telnack was the designer in charge of Ford at the time. And it's got a bit of a Torino look about it as well, I reckon, in the body lines. You can see it's got dual exhaust on it there, which looks pretty cool. And you can see this this stripped taillight here. The later ZG model Fairlane had a sort of a crisscross design on its taillight design. But apart from that, the bodies were very similar. Got the nice original hubcaps on there. Can we have a look inside, Colin?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, so it's got a red interior.
Red interior.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, fantastic. And you got that cockpit style interior, which was on the 69, 70 American Fords. You had that design, so it's probably influenced by that. Got these really nice high back bucket seats as well, or a split bench. Well, they are buckets, but you've got a section in the middle where someone can sit. Fantastic. And quite a bit of leg room in the back as well. Can we have a look in the back?
Yes, certainly. Oh, I've got books.
Then I'll get you to pop the hood. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's quite a good bit of leg room. They're very popular cars back in the day, weren't they? Might just now have a look at the engine, Colin. Okay. So this is a 302 V8, isn't it?
That's right.
Yeah, so 4.9 litres. You can tell by the badge there. The 351s have a 351 badge on the front guard there. Wow, it's all original there, isn't it? Looks really terrific. Fantastic. It's a good engine, little 302, isn't it? Yeah, very reliable and reasonable economy and reasonable power. So does everything you want it to do.
No doubt, don't go on the petrol.
Yeah. And you can see the grille here for the ZF, and again the ZG had sort of more of an open mouth grille. I'll put one of those images in there so you can see it. But yeah, terrific. Well, thanks very much, Colin. Really appreciate it.
No worries.
Thanks for sharing your ZF Fairlane.
Thank you.
And to everyone else, we'll see you next time. Thanks very much. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.